Hey guys, we're here with a review from Dairy Queen. We have a new Drumstick Blizzard. It is actually the flavor of the month for July. Just came out. So we want to try it out. I'll read to you online what it says it is. It says it's Nestle drumstick pieces, chopped peanuts and chocolate, all blended in our signature DQ soft serve. So I love drumsticks like you buy at the store, the frozen drumsticks and the ice cream. So I'm excited to try this out. Brad's not sure because he doesn't like the ones with the nuts on the top. He doesn't like nuts in his food. So he doesn't like the ones with little crushed nuts on the top. I love those. So he usually gets the ones that are just without the nuts or just chocolate on the top or whatever. But I love the one with the nuts. So we'll see how much they are. I had heard that maybe there's not as much nuts in here as there could be, so we'll see. Let me show you a close-up first of it real quick here. So here's a close-up. You can see it's got like the chocolate there mixed in with it. Looks like maybe a little bit of nuts there. It's kind of blended in pretty well into the ice cream and the Blizzard. Alright, so we're gonna try it out here. You might have to work around. I think the nuts look like they're kind of crunched up in here a little bit. They're not like whole peanuts, they're like crushed up. Got the chocolate, that's for sure. It's pretty good. And I got the cone piece in there too. And the chocolate.
Got a peanut in there.
He's dramatic.
No, I'm not dramatic. I freaking hate peanuts in my food. That's gross.
Try some more of this here.
That was better without the peanut. No peanuts.
I got a big chunk of that cone piece. It's really good.
It's really good when you can get the piece without the peanuts.
That crunchy cone piece in there with that chocolate on it.
How did I not get the crunchy cone piece?
Really good.
Probably because you're getting, look at all the peanuts in that scoop.
I'll take it. And also, you know how the bottom of the drumstick has that little bit of chocolate at the very bottom of the cone on the pointy part? You taste that, you know, it has that little, at the very bottom of the cone, the pointy part has like chocolate at the bottom.
Why am I not getting any of the crunchy?
That's what it reminds me of, with a little bit of the cone in there.
I hate peanuts in my food. Ugh. Makes me want to gag. It's just not a good flavor together.
I love it.
Ugh.
Comment below, do you like peanuts in your food?
No.
Or yes or no? I love them.
Not in my cookies, not in my brownies, not in my ice cream, nothing. I'll eat peanuts by themselves. It's just gross when it's mixed with something. I just can't do it. It's disgusting.
I like it. I think it's good. You probably, maybe we could ask for it. Let's say I want the Drumstick Blizzard minus the peanuts. I don't know if they like take a little spoon of chopped peanuts and put it in there and then blend it up, or if it's just mixed in already.
I don't know, but I don't want any more. There's too many peanuts in it. Ugh.
I'm thinking they probably put it in there
Gross.
separately, so you probably could ask for it without the peanuts. But
Way too many peanuts. That thing has, like, it's covered in peanuts. Gross.
I love it.
I give it a 2 out of 5. Oh, I like the peanuts. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5.
I give it a 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. I like it a lot.
Blech. I don't like it. You can have it. I can't
really
have
good.
any more.
I like this way better than the Pinata Blizzard that I reviewed. The Party Pinata, whatever that was. Yeah, so it's good. I like it. Brad is not a fan because he doesn't like peanuts. Too much peanuts for him. But I like it. So check it out. It's the Drumstick Blizzard, the flavor of the month for July at Dairy Queen. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye, y'all.